The ROPLUS Laduga 21-inch carry-on is designed with hidden expandable space, allowing you to increase its capacity by approximately 20%, making it perfect for travelers who need extra packing space. Equipped with large double carbon steel bearing wheels, this suitcase offers exceptional durability and smooth maneuverability, ensuring a stress-free travel experience. This carry-on features an interior laptop compartment and a small document strap, providing easy organization and protection for your electronics and important documents, making it ideal for business trips. The thoughtfully engineered design includes reinforced top and integrated bottom handles, along with bottom support feet, ensuring stability and ease of handling when lifting or setting the luggage down. Constructed from durable, abrasion-resistant Oxford fabric, the suitcase is fully lined for added protection, and it includes a metal cylinder TSA lock for enhanced security during your travels. The ROPLUS Laduga 21-inch carry-on is a reliable travel companion, offering a blend of practicality, durability, and security for any journey.